Conrad. What you got in your mug?
I'm enjoying my special pine cone tea.
Wow, that looks delicious.
It's even better with sweet honey, but I'm all out.
All out of honey? Say, my friend the beekeeper has lots of honey. I'll be right back. Hey, beekeeper.
Oh! Who's there? I can't see because my eyes are flowers!
It's just me, Soil. I'm here to get some honey.
Oh, well, why didn't you just say so? Speaking of honey, why was the bee's hair sticky?
Bees have hair?
The bee's hair was sticky because he used a honeycomb!
Maybe he should get a buzz cut.
Oh, great idea! Well, if you see a jar of honey laying around, you can take it! I can't see because my eyes are flowers!
Thanks, beekeeper. Here, I've got some honey for you, Conrad.
Oh, thanks so much. How's Beekeeper doing?
He's all right, but he can't see because his eyes are flowers.
Well, time for tea.
I went from bee time to tea time.